How to fix YouTube search not working on mobile. Hey everyone, if your YouTube search isn't loading results or keep showing error on your phone, it's usually due to a small glitch within the app. It could be a cache problem or even your internet issue. Here's a quick guide on how you can fix it. First thing you need to do is check your connection. So just make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data isn't unstable, and you can also try to toggle on your airplane mode. Once you have done that, you can force close YouTube. So if you have YouTube open up in the background, you can just close it out. And then the next step is to clear app cache. Long press on YouTube, tap on the I button, and from here you can easily find an option for storage. Tap on clear cache, and you should be good to go. Then you can try to update YouTube. If there is any update available, check on Play Store. Go to search at the bottom. Simply search for YouTube. And if you see an update button here instead of open, just make sure to update the app. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.